Hi folks, it's Switchback. If you're watching this, you're likely someone who wants to enjoy the outdoors and avoid negative wildlife encounters. I have a video about what to do in general when sharing the wilderness with wildlife, and if you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend starting there and then coming back and watching this video. If you're recreating with your dog, I have this video specific to wildlife encounters with dogs. This video will be about wildcats, wolves, and coyotes, so let's dive in, starting with those wildcats. That's going to include mountain lions or cougars, bobcats, and any other, lynx, any other cats that are out there. How to avoid them? Odds are they know about you long before you know about them. It is not easy to sneak up on one. And they say a lot more of them see you than you see them. Again, probably not reassuring, but you don't hear about a lot of attacks. So they really don't want bad encounters with us any more than we do. What to do if you see them? Stand your ground or slowly back away, never run. Make yourself look as large as possible and get big and loud and deep with your voice. If you have to, throw rocks in front of it, but not at it or other objects. What to do if they come at you? If they're actually coming at you, then go ahead and throw things at the animal. Avoid the head if at all possible. If they attack you, fight back with anything and everything that you possibly can, protecting your head and your neck because that is what they will generally target. Next, let's talk about wolves. How to avoid them? They will try to avoid you if they're aware of your presence. If it's a place with a high chance of seeing them and you are trained and comfortable carrying a firearm, then that may be what the recommendation is in that area. Even trekking poles can be useful if needed. If you do see them, do not run and do not turn away. If you are with a partner and you are surrounded by a pack of them, get back to back and try to move away. What to do if they come at you? Make eye contact and act aggressively. If attacked, fight back with anything that you possibly can. Air horns and bear spray can be helpful, and even climbing a tree to escape them. They can't exactly climb trees. Next, coyotes. How to avoid them? Make your presence known. Talk, that kind of thing. They will try to avoid places with people. What to do if you see them? Keep your distance, never run. Don't corner them as they will feel threatened. If they get too close, yell, get big, make noise any way that you're able. What to do if they attack you? It is extremely rare for coyotes to attack people, even less so than other wild animals, and even more rare for it to be fatal. As in, it is so rare that finding information on what to do if attacked by a coyote was actually quite a challenge. But you can throw rocks and things in their direction if they are genuinely a threat. And if you are attacked, you want to protect your neck and your major arteries because they will target those. I have more videos about what to do if you encounter wildlife in this playlist. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.